Hello beautiful people, this is my first IGTV video and I'm here to share a mini book haul. I hope you like it, please keep on watching. So here I bring the first book, that is The Complete Adventures of Feluda by Satyajit Ray. Well, if you know Satyajit Ray, you would have definitely heard about all the Feludan stories. The volume 1 consists of all the 16 short stories and the next volume has 18. It's a big chunk of book as you can see and I'm really excited to start this. So the next book is Purple Hibiscus by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong. I bought this book in order to explore the author because I have heard a lot about this author, so I'm excited. Well, the next book is Educated by Tara Westover, and why would this book even need any introduction? Every other bookstagrammer has posted a book of Tara Westover, which is this Educated, and I'm really excited to read this book with Soha. And yeah, the next book is The White Tiger by Aravind Adiga, and I bought this book A because I found it really pretty, B because I wanted to explore a book who won a Booker Prize, and so yeah, really excited to read it as well. So moving on, the next book is Handmaid's Tale, and I bought Handmaid's Tale and The White Tiger together from a shop. Well, the owner was really nice towards me and gave the book in a really low price. And my sister has been recommending this book since a long time, so I thought why not give it a try, right? Okay, so the sixth book is Namesake by Jhumpa Lahiri. Well, there is a movie adaptation available of this book, which I of course did not watch because books are always better. Anyone who agrees to this, please comment down below and let me know. And oh my god, since last year I have been getting constant reminder to buy this book as soon as possible. So Soha, here I am with this book. Believe me, I'm gonna read it really soon. Okay. The next book is Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. If I remember, I have been asking a lot of you to recommend me a Dan Brown book, which like for a beginner. So I have been recommended by a lot of people to buy Da Vinci Code first in the Robert Langdon series. So here I am with my first ever Dan Brown book and I'm super excited. I bought it from a local market, by the way. And it's super good. The cover is super pretty. I'm really excited. Okay, so the next book is Bhagavad Gita and it's time to be a little spiritual now. So I bought this Bhagavad Gita from Flipkart last month just because my brother has been wanting to read it since a long time, and so I thought why not just add this into the list of book haul, because yes, I bought it last month and I'm super excited. The book's cover is so pretty and it also has some really beautiful illustrations. As you can see, I am in love with the book. It is a really big and thick book and I'm super excited about it too. Okay, last but not the least are the two mini vintage classics that I borrowed from my cousin brother. I know, I borrowed it. I did not buy it myself, but I'm showing it to you because it looks super good. Already read Desire by Haruki Murakami, Yet to Explore Liberty by the classic author Virginia Woolf, and I'm super excited because it's so colorful and vibrant and that gives a really good vibe to me. So that was all for the first haul video. Let me know if you like it. Comment down below if you have read any of the books shown in the video or want to read any. And if you like this kind of video, like haul video, please let me know so that I can be more active with all this, because this is my first IGTV video. I would need all your encouragement and support.